So guys, first you want to plug in your SD card. My Steam Deck is currently turned off. I'm now going to plug it in like this, through this way. Just plug it in right there. Push it through so it clicks. There we go. It should be like this now. We're now going to turn on the Steam Deck. And now once you're on the Steam Deck, you want to click on the Steam button right here, which will now pull up this. We're going to scroll down and then click on settings. And now once we're here, we're going to scroll down to storage. And now this will come up. You're going to be seeing internal storage and you're going to be seeing your SD card. Make sure that you're on your SD card and then click on Y to format the drive. You can now set your drive name if you want to, and then click on confirm when you're ready. And then confirm again. It's now going to format your SD card so it can work on your Steam Deck. As you can see, it's now loading up. I hope you can see that right there, it's just loading. It might take a while to format as I'm using a 1TB SD card. I'm just going to skip the video to when it's done. I'm back now, it's been done. I can now use the SD card. So let's say that I want to install this game right here. I can now select my SD card and I can install it there if I want to.